Hi, welcome to Step 2 Maths. Our today's topic is factorization. We know that a polynomial can be represented as product of polynomials. Then factorization means breaking or splitting the polynomial into its factors. That means factorizing means the process of finding the factors of a polynomial. There is no specific rule for this factorization process, but we can use the identities, that is a plus b the whole square, a minus b the whole square. That type of identities can apply in some cases. But with more practicing, this factorization become more easier. So let's move to the examples. Consider the example 2x square plus x minus 1. If we check this polynomial, we can't apply any identities. So how we can find the factors of this polynomial? Consider the first two terms, 2x square plus x. Here the x is common in these two terms. X into 2x plus 1 minus 1. But we cannot move ahead to next step. So this is not the way. Then what will do? 2x square plus x. We can rewrite this x as 2x minus x. This x. 2x minus x means x. That is 2x square plus 2x minus x minus 1. We just rearrange the term x as 2x minus x. Now consider these two terms, 2x square plus 2x. Here 2x is common. So we can write 2x into here 2x square. From that we take 2x, then remaining x. And in this term we take 2x, that means plus 1 minus, consider these two terms together, minus x, here minus, that means into minus x plus 1, that is minus x minus 1. Now the given polynomial in the form 2x into x plus 1 minus x plus 1. This is one term and this is one term. Consider these two terms. Here x plus 1 is common. So we can write it again, x plus 1 into here 2x. 2x minus, from this term we take x plus 1. X plus 1. 1 into 1 and x plus 1. Take as common factor. So 2x minus 1. X plus 1 into 2x minus 1. The given polynomial is 2x square plus x minus 1 is converted into the product of two simple polynomials, x plus 1 into 2x minus 1. That means x plus 1 and 2x minus 1 are the factors of 2x square plus x minus 1. If we expand these two polynomials, or if we find the product of these polynomials, we get 2x square plus x minus 1, that is x into x x into x, 2x square plus x minus x plus 2x means plus x, then minus 1, 2x square plus x minus 1. Different polynomials can be factorized using different methods. That's I already said. If we practice more on this factorization, then only this factorization become more easier. Okay, consider another some or two or three examples, then it become more clear. Consider another question. Find the factors of 2m square plus 5m minus 3. Here also we can't apply any identities and there is no common factor. So what is the next step? Consider 5m. 2m square plus this 5m can be written as 6m minus m. 6m minus m is 5m minus 3. Now consider these two times, 2m square plus 6m. We can take 2m as common factor, that is 2m into the remaining m plus here the remaining we take 2m, then the remaining is 3 minus m, we take minus outside, that means this become m plus 3. Now it's in the same as previous case. M plus 3 is common, so we can write m plus 3 into here 2m minus 1. M plus 3 into 2m minus 1. 2m square plus 5m minus 3 is factorized as m plus 3 into 2m minus 1, or m plus 3 and 2m minus 1 are the factors of this polynomial. Consider this one, 9x square minus 4. How we can find out its factors? 9x square minus 4. 9x square we can write 3x whole square minus 2 square. Now this in the form of the identity a square minus b square, that is a plus b into a minus b. So we can write it as 3x plus 2 into 3x minus 2. That means in some cases we can apply the identities directly. Consider this question, x square minus x whole square minus 8 into x square minus x plus 12. Here, how to find the factors of this given polynomial? Consider these two terms, x square minus x the whole square minus 8 into x square minus. Here x square minus x is a common term. That means this term is present in these two terms. So we can do one thing, make a substitution. That means put x square minus x equal to m, another variable. Now the given polynomial becomes x square minus x is m. So we can rewrite it as m square minus 8 x square minus x is m, 8m plus 12. The given polynomial becomes in the form m square minus 8m plus 12. Now how to represent this polynomial into product of polynomials? Shall we apply any identities? That means two numbers, its product is 12 and its sum is minus 8. 6 and 2. 6 into 2 is 12 and minus 8 is its sum, means the numbers are minus 6 and minus 2. Minus 6 plus minus 2 is minus 8. Minus 6 into minus 2 is 12. So we can write this as m minus 6 into m minus 2. M minus 6 into m minus 2 is m square minus 8m plus 12. Okay. Now we get the polynomial into product of two polynomials. But here the variable m. What is the value of m? M is x square minus x. So we can rewrite this as x square minus x minus 6 into x square minus x minus 2. It's again the product of two quadratic polynomial. So we have to simplify it again. X square minus x minus 6. Is there an identity can we apply? That is the product of two numbers, the two numbers whose product is minus 6 and sum is minus 1. Okay. 3 into 3 and 2 whose product is 6 and minus 6. That means the larger number is minus. The product is minus means one of the number is negative. So how we can write its factors? X minus 6, x minus 6, x square minus x minus 6. We can write it as x minus 3 into x plus 2. X square minus x minus 6 can be written as x minus 3 into x plus 2, that is x square minus x minus 6. Now what is the factors of this polynomial? X square minus x minus 2, product 2 and sum is minus 1. X minus 2 into x minus 1. Okay, its products x minus 2 into x plus 1. Now the given polynomial is in the form of product of 4 simple polynomials. That means the given polynomial x square minus x whole square minus 8 into x square minus x a plus 12 is factorized as x minus 3 into x plus 2 into x minus 2 into x plus 1. That is product of 4 simple polynomials. Here we make a substitution. In the previous examples, we rewrite one term and find the factors, and here we make some substitution and find the factors. That I already said, for factorization of different polynomials, different techniques are used. Consider this question. X minus 5 whole square minus 5x minus 25 minus 24. How to find out its factors? X minus 5 whole square minus 5x minus 25. Okay, consider this term. Here 5 is a common factor. That means we can rewrite this term as 5 into x minus 5. Okay. The first term is x minus 5 whole square minus, this term is rewrite 5 into x minus 5 minus 24. Now consider these two terms. Here x minus 5 is common. So we can write x minus 5 into, here one x minus 5 is remaining, x minus 5 minus 5 minus 24. X minus 5 into x minus 5 minus 5 minus 24. Now make some substitution, that is put x minus 5 is equal to m or n, another variable. Now this become n into n minus 5 minus 24. That is, if you remove the bracket, n square minus 5n minus 24. N square minus 5n minus 24. A quadratic polynomial. Is we rewrite into product of two polynomials, that is the two numbers whose product is minus 24 and sum minus 5, 8 and 3. So how we can rewrite this one? N minus 8 into n plus 3. Minus 8 plus 3, product minus 24 and sum is minus 5. That is n minus 8 into n plus 3. But what the value of n? X minus 5. So we can rewrite this as x minus 5 minus 8 into x minus 5 plus 3. If we simplify this, x minus 13 into x minus 2. X minus 13 into x minus 2. That means the given polynomial into product of two simple polynomials, or x minus 13 into x minus 2 are the factors of the given polynomial x minus 5 square minus 5x minus 25 minus 24. Here what we perform? The second term is rewrite, and then there is common factors. Take the common factors, and for that make some substitutions and find the factors. In this way we find the factor of this given polynomial.